Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee grinder at home. First, let's explore the fundamental idea behind grinding coffee beans. You'll need to create a mechanism that crushes or cuts the beans into smaller, uniform particles. We'll focus on using readily available household items, making this a fun and accessible project. Remember to prioritize safety throughout the entire process, especially when handling any sharp objects or power tools. For a manual approach, a mortar and pestle is an excellent option. Place a small amount of beans in the mortar and use the pestle to crush them with a circular motion. Another simple method involves a rolling pin and a strong, sealed bag. Lay the beans flat in the bag, then roll over them with firm, even pressure. Experiment with the force you apply to get the perfect grind for your brewing method. If you're looking for a quicker solution, an ordinary blender or food processor can be adapted. Add a small quantity of beans to the container. Use very short, quick pulses, about 5 to 10 seconds at a time, to avoid overheating the beans and ensure an even grind. Overprocessing can lead to a less flavorful coffee. Always clean your appliance well before and after grinding coffee. Achieving the right grind consistency is crucial for delicious coffee. For example, a French press typically needs a coarse, chunky grind. In contrast, espresso machines demand a very fine, almost powdery grind. Experiment with your homemade grinder to find the ideal texture for your preferred brewing method. With a little practice, you'll consistently produce perfectly ground coffee at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.